Ever since the arrest of Kizza Besigye, the discussion has been on, but the one that has skyrocketed the entire country came from a speech by Andrew Mwenda when they were in NBS frontline, which he had a statement saying President Museveni should have instead killed Kizza Besigye instead of bringing him to the court of law.
You cannot say that's a very simple thing.
Let me ask.
And let me tell you, just 1 second. I think Museveni, you trust me, I will be killed in defense of you on this issue. I think you're a very nice human man. Because a man who was planning to kill you, you abduct him from Nairobi and bring him before competent courts. What would Idi Amin have done, or any other person for that matter? Did the Americans take Bin Laden to a court of law? Besigye was planning terrorism. So he could even have been killed in that meeting. So for him to begin playing this stance of not eating in a prison, and you coming here and making noise and defending a cold-blooded murderer, a person who was planning cold-blooded murder, I find it very demeaning and disgusting.
Let's listen, if you could, yes, Opondo, and then we'll bring in Council Arias Lukwago.
Well, I hope we shall have a calm debate after that. But as you can,
I am so happy you shut them down, because you have it. Yes, but you are defending a man who was trying to kill somebody.
We are telling you to follow due process. We are saying
many Ugandans have reacted in their discussions and also online on internet. Among the people who reacted included the former wife of President Museveni, who is the current wife of Dr. Kizza Besigye, that is Winnie Byanyima. When asked by one of NBS host and news reporter, she clearly expressed her dissatisfaction with the statement from Andrew Mwenda, saying that it was not called for and it's a sign that we are in a very, very bad stage in the country.
I had a tweet on the 20th February and say, on NBS TV, Andrew Mwenda goes off the matter under discussion, which is the illegal detention of Besigye, and brings up my relationship with President Museveni. If it is really of interest to him, he should wait for my book. It's an interesting story.
Yeah.
What do you think was the intention of this?
I don't know, because he seemed to want very much to remind people that a long time ago I had a relationship with President Museveni, and yeah, I did. but what relevance was it there? It was of no relevance.
What relevance is it now in this case?
None at all. Absolutely none. I mean, President Museveni is somebody I have known since I first became aware of the world. He was in my home, visiting our home when I was maybe 3 years old. I've known him all my...
Many people expected Andrew Mwenda never to respond. But then, Andrew Mwenda responded with a hit, strongly trying to justify his statement. Andrew Mwenda, for Besigye supporters, including his wife, saying I am a liar, I ask only one thing. Let Besigye issue a statement saying that he never attended that meeting in Nairobi, and that voice discussing a violent overthrow of the government and assassination of Museveni is not his. Let Besigye contradict me. He has access to his lawyers and other family members, including his wife. Let them contradict me. So that is it, straight up from Andrew Mwenda. He is challenging Besigye via the lawyers and the wife to make a public statement that his statements are not true, that the recording which was leaked, the audio, is also not true. So Mwenda stands very confident on the case against Dr. Kizza Besigye. But then also, Odonga, the political philosopher himself, had to pull a statement responding to Andrew Mwenda. Dr. Odonga said, Andrew Mwenda, I hear you, but you are utopian. The fact on the ground is that most people would celebrate if the government is violently overthrown. So Dr. Domato clearly said that many Ugandans wish for this government to be overthrown, even if it is using violent method, and calls in utopia. Thank you.